Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me again, with us again. I'm here with my wife and daughter. Hey, Nana. Hey. You're busy. Yeah, she's complaining all the time, and now she wants to follow me everywhere I go. So it is about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's quiet time at the Warong, and we can go. And we want to take you to one of the waterfall, which is close by from here. We call it Titi Waterfall, guys. It's just maybe like 10 to 15 minutes drive from our Warong, and based on the picture, it looks nice, and also we can see the river, the waterfall, and also a little bit of a view of rice paddies. So without further ado, let's go and see together. You ready to go? Okay, you want to see waterfall? Okay. Yeah, wear a jacket and let's go wear helmet. Anyway, I almost forget to say thank you very much for you that visiting our Warong since yesterday and also today. I do really apologize that I was not here because, like I said, I will not here all the time. But yeah, sometimes I'll come here, especially when I'm at my village, guys, at Kampung. Huh? Okay, let's go. Yeah, the warung still open, and normally we will open until maybe 8 in the evening. So we will open from 10 in the morning, guys. Okay, we have arrived. Let's go. Yeah, here is the locket. Ticket is 30K per person. Yeah, that is the locket, so the ticket counter. It says 30K per person, but since maybe we are local, she gave like 20K per person. A little bit of discount for locals. And right here you can see some plantation. This is the chili. This is how it looks like, the chili tree. Is it the same like in your country? Yeah, this is the chili. It's the red one, it's ready. Yeah, we do have some types of chili. This one and then the other one, which is a tinier chili. And also we have the big one. We call it cabe lombok. I don't know why they call it lombok. Maybe the seeds, maybe, yeah. The trees from Lombok, not really sure as well. Yeah, the chili is bigger, the cabe lombok. But the taste is less spicy. Yeah, it is always good to come to this kind of area, guys. As you can see, it's very quiet. And yeah, we just go back to the nature, stay away from the hustle and bustle. Yeah, here on the right side, some what you call this, papaya trees. Well, it is good, yeah. It's very short, but it has a lot of fruits. And you can see also mini waterfall. Yeah, this is the irrigation system. The water will go all the way. It's beautiful view, isn't it? Jungle view. Yeah, it says this way. I can see the traditional swing as well. The other side there. Yeah, I don't know. If you like to do swing, maybe you can, but there's no one there. Yeah, slowly. Okay. Yeah, she's complaining a lot to me because I spent a lot of time at the warung and away from her. And now she wants to go with me everywhere I go. So what about you guys? Anybody of you experience the same thing? The kids doesn't want to, they don't want to stay away from you, following everywhere you go. Wow, it is nice warung here, guys. Look at these. You can see it and enjoy the view. This time, okay, let's go and see the waterfall first. Wow, this one also looks good. But you need to be careful when you walk down, guys, because this is still the dirt. Especially during the rainy season, it will be maybe a bit slippery. But it's nice, this place. No one is here. The waterfall is yours. Yeah, and the location from here, maybe if you go to Ubud, to this place, it will take you maybe around 25 minutes or maximum 30 minutes drive, I think. Yeah, it's such a nice place to spend some time here. Look at this, it's beautiful, isn't it? And to get to the waterfall, you need to go down. So this one is also a nice spot to take picture. Picture time. Okay. One more time, picture. Let's make them happy. Okay, let's continue walking. I think here is the first spot. And let's go down to the river. I don't know why they call it Titi Waterfall. If you know the word Titi, that is in Balinese language, guys. Titi means stairs. So yeah, I don't know why. Maybe because there are a lot of stairs to get to go to the waterfall. That's why they name it Titi Waterfall. Yeah, you need to go down here. Yeah, if you ask me which waterfall has easy access, I think definitely not this one. Well, look at this. It's spider, but I think it's not really dangerous. Okay, we're almost there. Here is the river. It reminds me with the river in my village as well, where I used to swim a lot at the river. That is a waterfall. We need to go here slowly. All right, here is the waterfall. I think it is good to sit there and someone's taking picture from that side. It's not really big, but it is beautiful with the currents of the rocks. Yeah, a lot of stairs here. So maybe because of that, a lot of stairs. That's why they call it Titi Waterfall. I'm just guessing. And it's good to see the river is also clean. No rubbish like plastics like that. It is lovely. And you can swim also here. But to get to the waterfall, but to get to this spot, you need to walk quite sometimes, maybe around 10 minutes from up there. But it's really nice. It's like no one is here, guys. It's kind of like a hidden waterfall, maybe I can say, yeah? So let's enjoy the view around here. think about this place, guys? Would you like to come here? Do you want to have your own waterfall and own river? You can enjoy the view and you can swim here. So I think that's all for this time video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next one. Thank you very much and bye bye.